Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI, and if you have been looking for the perfect gift for someone, or perhaps you've been looking to get a smartwatch for yourself, I would really recommend this smartwatch by SHANG WING. What I really love about it is that the charge on the battery lasts for between 2 to 3 days, possibly more, depending on how often you're using the watch. Also, it took about an hour and a half to an hour and 40 minutes to get a full charge from 0 to 100%, which is really, really quick. I love that this smartwatch has all of the features you need, including being waterproof, so you can swim or use this in the shower and it will not get damaged. So it has amazing features and it's for such a great value. I personally really enjoy getting all of the notifications, whether that be email or from other chat notifications, popular applications, right here to the watch face. I like that because it helps me to use my phone less. If you're looking to track your health or your sleep, this is the perfect watch for you. You can track things like your heart rate, your oxygen level, your sleep, and even more. It's also great for tracking your exercise and trying to reach your daily fitness goals, like how many steps you want to take or how much you want to walk. The app itself was really simple and easy to use, and it was easy to install. Another feature that I really like is that there are so many different watch faces to choose from that are really, really beautiful, and you can also customize your own watch face. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for someone or you want to treat yourself to a smartwatch, I would definitely recommend this one, and that is my point of view.